feeling overwhelmed. And I always say words will fall short of when it comes to expressing how we feel, how grateful we are to have our community together, where we see each one of us progressing. To start with, Shefali, Nidhi, and Shweta, these are those participants who were there from start. And जैसे जैसे हमारा सफर आगे बढ़ता गया, we had all of you. वो कहते हैं ना वो मोती, बेश बेशकीमती, वो जो जौहरी के पास होता है. So all of us, all of you are that part of our family. And without taking much of your time, because we are here to listen each one of you, मैं तो हमेशा आके बोलती ही रहती हूँ. What all of you are having to share on this theme of when it comes to working, growing together, taking action together on our upliftment, on our growth. I would invite CA Poonam Pathak to start before starting our session to say a few words as an opening remark, and then we'll start with the formal discussion, formal thought sharing from all of you. Poonam, are you there? Okay, maybe Poonam is attending one meeting. She will join, she'll speak when the meeting will progress. So first, let's start with CA Jyoti Rathi, what she has to say on Friday Fleet and on a theme of Together We Can. Over to you, Jyoti.
Thank you so much to all the members present out here. Hello everyone. Good afternoon, all the beautiful souls out here. My sincere gratitude to CA Kalpana, CA Poonam Pathak, and Rajkumar Adukia sir for creating such a good social cause Friday Fleet virtual sessions group, women empowerment and initiative towards women empowerment. Empowerment of women is not only necessary, it has become an imperative now. So far, women's role as mothers, homemakers, wives, and sisters are well known, but the role in shifting the entire power relations of a country is an emerging concept. We meet fortnightly, alternate Friday, in virtual sessions to discuss various technical and non-technical topics centered around our professional and personal growth. It has promoted in me self-worth. The vibrant and enthusiastic members have transferred power in a dynamic way over a period of time. It encourages me to dedicate 1 hour of continuous learning towards communication, skills, public speaking, health and nutrition, law of attraction, and many more. It has imparted in me confidence taking up challenges and overcome it with success. It is literally true that we can succeed best and holiest by helping each other to succeed. Coming together is beginning, keeping together is progress, working together is success. Thank you. More power to us.
Thank you so much, CA Jyoti Rathi, for sharing your thoughts on our community. And with that, I would like to invite CA Aarti Chandrasekharan. Hello.
Hi Raghav, hi Keshav. Am I audible? Am I audible, Kalpana?
You are
Yes, yes.
audible, but
Sure.
if
Yes.
your volume will increase, keep
Yeah.
that mouthpiece near to your mouth.
Yes. Yeah. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Good evening, everyone. And I thank Kalpana and Poonam for giving me this opportunity to share my thoughts on Together We Can regarding women empowerment. So I think this particular platform by itself is an example of the topic. So what we have gathered today, and for the past 1 year, we have had complete discussions on personality development, on building good mindsets, gratitude, communication, and also Kalpana has her own platform for public speaking, which is Art of Influence. Though not able to attend all meetings, I'll be following all your communications over the WhatsApp group. So it's really the classic example of Together We Can, where we have been empowered by great souls of Kalpana and Poonam. So really hats off to you for this platform. And humans actually need support in all spheres of life, be it family, workplace, or their business or profession. So collective action brings a lot of benefits in the long run. So in this context, women empowerment and Together We Can both are more relatable. So here now I recall that I'm grateful to all the ladies of my family, the mothers and the grandmothers, because women empowerment, that particular word makes me to recall how my grandmother was empowered enough late in 1950s and 60s itself. I think they were the real enablers of empowerment. So, so she was very much instrumental in making or in giving education to her daughter. And in 1970s itself, she visualized that education was one great power which could empower her daughters. So now I recall, and that was the start for women empowerment. I think we all could relate this to our own individual empowerment journeys. So our real stars and all that will be our mothers and grandmothers. So actually, and also recall my mother. So she was the first graduate in her family. She was a banker and also a women activist at her organizational level. So by seeing her going for meetings and also whenever a problem arises in case of women employees, or it might be the junior or senior level, the way she talks, the way she sorts out the issues. From there, I learned a lot that women can help another woman. So that again is a great lesson for me to know that together we can in women empowerment. So those ideas inculcated that being empowered starts from home and we have to support each other. So as Gandhiji rightly said, that if you educate a woman, the entire family is educated. So a woman or an empowered woman completely empowers her entire circle. It might be her own family, it might be her workplace or her profession or business. So we see that also. So an empowered woman empowers others. So each of us could relate this to our own journey. So women empowerment basically is where women should have greater control over their lives and should be able to take their own decisions. So here, I feel there are certain points which we might consider or which might aid in women empowerment. So coming to the points, it is what I feel is gender discrimination have to be addressed. So equality actually starts at home, and we have to educate and we have to practice equality at home itself. That will be the first place where we can start women empowerment. So what my contribution here is I inculcate the habits of equality in my home. So where I educate through some short stories and by small actions to my son who's 11-year-old, that all the domestic chores are not only the responsibility of the female. Okay, so I ask him small help, which he readily does. And also, he helps me a lot in all the chores, be it cleaning or folding of clothes, especially during the puja times, etc. He takes care of that puja activities. So, by this, I think we can move towards equality, and he will be more and more gender equal in his coming years. So I also teach him that women are equally educated. So since long they are educated, but now the education is at its peak. So they also have their right to be independent and more career oriented, because the career breaks are now a very great point to be concerned. So I educate them that just as men are career oriented, women also should have that career oriented. They also should be like that, and we have to give them that space. So I hope that while he grows, he will have that all in mind. So coming to career breaks where I touched. So here changes and transitions are inevitable in everybody's life. And uh, since I am in that area, okay, I am relating to these career breaks in particular. And also together we can, and women empowerment, all those. So I basically speak to my friends and to my colleagues and to my students. So many have stopped CA actually after marriage or after break, they have not restarted working, etc. So at those points, I really ask them to prioritize what they want in life at that particular point. And we can strive hard to balance both, might be work or family. When that balance is not happening, okay, just accept the fact and just keep going with the intention to come back. Okay, the point is we have to have that fire in us going, which will ignite us always. Okay, and no break is permanent. We can start, restart at any point of our life. So we also need not be judgmental either about others or about ourselves also, because self guilt and we have taken a break, all these causes a lot of trauma nowadays. So since I'm dealing with all these, I thought I could share my points on Together We Can. And also I'm doing my part where I address all these at my own circles, where I really see that we women can empower each other. And just a simple suggestion or advice or some our own journey, okay, make them really get motivated. Okay, so these are some of the points where I could relate myself to uh, women empowerment. And yes, thanks once again for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Aarti. You have touched upon various points, and I'm sure together. So let's have a Rajeshwari is clapping. So let's all of us have virtual clap for Aarti, and we missed to clap for Jyoti. So I'll clap once for Jyoti as well. So coming back to the point shared by Aarti, very well, you have touched upon all the point. I will not take much time, but when you have mentioned about the mother, yes, the Kalpana who is in front of you, this I've shared earlier also many time in my session, that that never giving attitude and feeling of always being special, that yes, there is a special purpose on my existence on this earth. Everything is from my mother. And when it comes to connecting with friends and colleague and our Friday Fleet community, yes, it was there in my life as well, the points, because we are human, right? There are situations where we feel down, and then the community and our friends are those who gather our courage again, and they pick us up to have our journey again in a smoother way. And one more point, I was thinking that when we are in any particular situation, this is the last point I'll share and we'll hand it over. when we are in particular situation, like Aarti has mentioned, when sometime we feel that there is an end of our career being a chartered accountant, I've been passed through that phase in the corona years. It is that time there is a need to connect with the friends, with the like-minded people, with our community, because I have also connected with one of my friend at that point of time. The discussion, that 10-15 minute discussion, whatever we need is within us at every moment. The only point which is needed is realization, and that realization happens when together we try to have that realization. Alone, if we try to do that, कभी कभी ऐसा लगता है ये क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ. But when it comes to connecting with the people, with the like-minded females like our community, wo not having any biasness towards being that difficult situation, wo कहते हैं ना aerial view, bringing ourselves out of that situation and then having looked to that particular problem or situation or challenge, it help us to think this, yes, this is also a phase, it will pass. So thank you so much, Aarti. And with that, I would like to hand it over to Aishwarya. See Aishwarya Joshi.
Good afternoon, everyone. I hope I'm audible now.
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah. So कहते हैं कि एक औरत दूसरी औरत की माँ, भाभी, ननद, सास सब बन पाती है, लेकिन सहेली नहीं बन पाती. ये सालों से चलता आ रहा है ना. और पर्सनल एंड प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में ये सब हमने कहीं ना कहीं तो फील किया है. तो ये सोच हमें बदलनी चाहिए, बदलनी भी है. मुझे लगता है ये ग्रुप इसीलिए है, इसका पर्पस भी इसीलिए है क्योंकि ऑन दी अदर हैंड अगर देखने जाएं तो हमारे सबसे बड़ी सपोर्ट सिस्टम एक वुमन ही है, हमारी माँ, हमारे फ्रेंड्स, जिनसे हम सब कुछ शेयर कर पाते हैं, राइट. तो ये ग्रुप भी इसीलिए है, ये पर्पस भी आई थिंक सो सॉल्व हो रहा है इससे. तो चलो आज मिलके इसको सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. और मैं कहना चाहती हूँ कि ये ग्रुप बार बार हमें स्ट्रेंथ याद दिलाता है. चाहे मैं पार्टिसिपेट नहीं कर पाती बहुत ज्यादा, लेकिन मैसेजेस से भी मुझे सपोर्ट मिलता है. तो ये सपोर्ट सिस्टम ही हमारी स्ट्रेंथ है, ये यूनिटी ही हमारी स्ट्रेंथ है, राइट. तो मैं आपको हमारी स्ट्रेंथ याद दिलाऊं तो वी आर 43% वुमेन चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स. तो हम हाउस होल्ड कोरस भी मैनेज कर सकते हैं और करोर्स भी मैनेज कर सकते हैं, राइट. हमें सेल एंड डिस्काउंट तो पसंद है, लेकिन डिविडेंड में ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट है. कुकर की सीटी तो गिनते हैं, लेकिन पोर्टफोलियो का रिटर्न देखने में ज्यादा मजा आता है ना. और बर्थडे एंड एनिवर्सरी तो सेलिब्रेट कर पाते हैं, अच्छे से मैनेज कर पाते हैं, लेकिन हमारे पास मास्टर प्लान होता है टैक्स एंड मनी मैनेजमेंट का. तो हम क्यों अपनी स्ट्रेंथ को ही ओवरलुक करते हैं, कभी कभी खुद पे सेल्फ डाउट करते हैं. अपनी स्ट्रेंथ को याद करना है ना. कलेक्टिवली एजुकेट करना है एक दूसरे को एंड अपलिफ्ट करना है. लास्ट में मैं इतना ही कहना चाहूंगी कि हमारी लाइफ अपने ही हाथ में है. अगर हम उसका कंट्रोल नहीं रखेंगे तो कोई और ले लेगा, है ना. तो डर की दीवारें तोड़नी है एंड साहस के पंखों को खोलना है. वो खोल के फिर हमें उड़ना है, क्योंकि उसी में तो वीरता है और हम वीक नहीं है. आई होप दिस इज अ रिमाइंडर कि वी ऑल आर वेरी 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 मच स्ट्रॉन्ग. And thank you so much to giving me this opportunity.
Thank you so much, Aishwarya. Let's have a virtual clap for Aishwarya for sharing her
Thank you
thoughts.
so much.
I love that line. हम कुकर की सीटी तो गिनते हैं, लेकिन हमें क्या था,
पोर्टफोलियो के रिटर्न गिनना.
यस, पोर्टफोलियो के रिटर्न्स ट्रैक करने में ज्यादा मजा आता है.
Yes.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. सो वेरी वेल, कविता की तरह आपने इसे आर्टिकुलेट करा. और ये लाइन हम सभी को, मुझे, मेरे साथ साथ हम सभी को याद रहेगी जब भी कुकर की सीटी हमारे घर
Yes.
में देंगी.
Yes,
Thank you so
yes.
much, Aishwarya. And we look forward to have you as a speaker, as we have discussed.
Yes.
And with that, next to Rajeshwari.
Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. As I have associated 1 month ago only with this community, but I know Kalpana as I have seen her session in the Saturday Skilling SOS. So I have a very huge respect for Kalpana, the way she speak, and some of other speaker also I know. So thank you so much. As the topic is Together We Can, I really think that women are the most special creature on this world. And as some of the speaker earlier said, that if we educate the women, she has the capability to educate a society, whole family, isn't it? We all uh, resonate with this line that we have the power to handle each and everything, because somewhere since childhood you are seeing your mother managing the house very nicely, and now as a working woman, as a professional, we are working at our offices also, at our workplace also, and at our home, and managing each and everything, all the responsibility very nicely. And as just now our speakers said that हम लोगों ने बचपन से सुना है कि औरतें ही कहीं ना कहीं औरतों को सपोर्ट नहीं कर पाती हैं, बट सच टाइप ऑफ कम्युनिटी एज we have started this Friday fleet, we can become the Saheli, with the friend of each other, and can support. And with that thought, I have joined this community to grow myself, as I'm not a CA, but still I have joined so many other group of CA, and I really feel that all these things, empowering, thought provoking messages that I get from you all will empower me, and I am looking forward for to contribute in this community also. And together we can. Somewhere we have heard this quote that if you have to walk slow, go alone, but if you have to walk fast, you should be with someone, hang out with some good like-minded people. So this community is really I'm looking forward for this, and thank you so much for adding immense value. It means a lot to me, and seeing so charming faces today and listening so many things and getting inspired from all of you. Thank you so much. Deep gratitude to all of you.
Thank you so much, Rajeshwari, for sharing direct from your heart. And this is the second time we have touched upon this point कि नारी शक्ति साथ में नहीं आती है. कौन कहता है वो, है ना? कौन कहता है? हम है ना साथ में. So I was checking today our number. We had 4 new joinees in our group, और हम we are close to 200, 187, and I foresee कि भविष्य में how strongly we will emerge when it comes to collective growth, when it comes to individual growth, personally, professionally. Thank you so much, Rajeshri. And after that, Sweksha, you are there? Can you come on video, please? Okay, so Shefali.
Okay. So, good evening, everyone. At the outset, I would like to congratulate the Friday Fleet team, CA Kalpana Thakur and CA Pumanam Pathak, for having this wonderful group to motivate and encourage all the women chartered accountants as well as non-chartered accountants women. And I am also very grateful of providing me with the opportunity to speak on this wonderful topic of Together We Can. So there is a famous saying by Helen Keller: alone we can do so little, but together we can do so much. And that is what exactly goes with Friday Fleet Group and for all the women chartered accountants who are over here. For me, Together We Can is so powerful a statement in itself that there is no requirement for any words to describe it or discuss it in more detail. It's just enough in its own self. It can be sufficient if that just one statement is used as a motto or as a logo or for indicating our thoughts in terms of our Friday Fleet group. Together we can, it indicates so many things. It indicates facing challenges together. It indicates creating a supportive community for ourselves. It indicates unity, but at the same time, by unity, it doesn't mean that it is not having diversity. It is embracing diversity by all the females from different areas of profession being part of one group and sharing their experience over here and motivating other female chartered accountants. So definitely, this is a really encouraging and motivating movement which is started by both of you, and really appreciate both of you from the core of my heart that it has a long journey to go, long way to go. And for me, I joined this group last October 2023 when, as mentioned by Aarti and Kalpana, that there are ups and downs for every person, and same goes for women chartered accountants. There is a lean phase in our life. And exactly I was going through that phase during those days. And I don't have words to express to what extent it motivated me for continuing my journey, for overcoming those challenges which I was facing in those days. So even though at that point of time, there was nothing specific from anyone which I got in terms of support or on a personal level, basically. But just being part of the group was so motivating and so encouraging that I was determined to overcome my challenges by hook or crook. And definitely that was a temporary period which I was going through. And I'm sure more females will be encouraged and what I should say is more female will be getting benefit for continuing their professional journey by being part of this Friday Fleet group. So gratitude and lots of compassion, lots of warmth, and thank you so much for making me part of this group and making me share my thoughts on this. So it is always, again, together we can. So if there was only two females like Kalpana and Poonam as a admin of this group without none of the members, so it wouldn't be possible for them to continue their journey of this Friday Fleet. And same goes for all other members, that without these two moderators or admin we have with us, it won't be possible for us to encourage or motivate ourselves. And again, small personal thing which I would like to share, there was one serial called Udaan, like it was somewhere in 80s. And whenever I joined this group, I remember of that serial. I don't remember the story much, but we as female chartered accountants should always be ready to open our wings and conquer the sky, because sky is the limit for us. And I'm sure each one of us has a potential, and everyone will be acting as a support system for other female members to capture the sky and have a fulfilling Udaan. Thank you so much and all the best for Friday Fleet.
Thank you so much, Shefali, for sharing your thought. I will not shy away from saying that if we have to choose our brand ambassador, you will be one of them. Brand
Oh my
ambassador of
God.
Friday Fleet when it comes to consistency and curiosity and joining our session. So I hardly remember, there are only few of the session you must have missed in last 1 year. And you have touched upon the point which we have discussed is everybody is having the ups and downs in their journey. And We had ups and downs in our journey of Friday Fleet as well. Poonam, if she's listening, she'll able to remember that on the 10th episode of Friday Fleet, there were only 2 participants, and you'll be surprised to know those 2 participants was one me and another was Poonam. At that point of time, the first 10 session was a Q&A. Then we saw a drastic decrease in the number of participants. Then we have changed the setting, and then from that point of time, we are doing R&D. Yes, Poonam is listening. And at that point of time, we have decided that let's change. So we had downs in our Friday Fleet journey as well. And now there is a time of upward swing, and it will, as Shefali has ended her deliberation, the sky is the limit. That's what we expect we have for our community. So thank you so much once again, Shefali. And now I would like to invite Sunita. Over to you, Sunita.
Thank you so much. I think most of the things that that have been said are resonated by each one of us. First of all, thank you to Adukya sir, Kalpana, as well as Poonam for creating this wonderful platform. And congratulations to each one of us for reaching a 1 year anniversary. So we've all worked together, more or less. Some have joined the sessions since the beginning, some like me in the middle, but we are still continuing our association. And that is what that matters, to be a part of something good and to continue to be inspired and aspired by each one of us. So each one of us has our own story, and at least for me, I look at you guys, I look at the achievements that you share in the group, and it makes me so inspired to learn from each and every one and put those learnings in my life, right? So as Henry Ford has famously said, coming together is the beginning, staying together is progress, and working together is success. So we paved our path to the progress and strengthened our bond by celebrating the first year together. Right now, the challenge for us is to keep the momentum going and working towards gaining that successful partnership together. And we've all seen or know that collaboration is one of the things key.
Sunita, you are on mute. Sunita, you are on mute.
From how long was I mute all along?
Less than a minute time. Less than a minute time.
Okay, so sorry about that. I must have my hand. So, as I was saying, that we have paved our path to progress and strengthened our bond by celebrating our first year, right? And now the challenge for us is how to keep the momentum further and keep working towards strengthening our successful journey. And what I see is that we can work together by being there for each other. You don't have to have a partnership or stuff like that. Just be together, be ready to help others, give advice wherein someone comes with a query or stuff like that. So this is what I see, because in this world, collaboration is the key thing. So we've seen team sports, we've seen in business, wherever teams are working, they are able to achieve tremendous results if they're working together to a common purpose, to a common goal. In the 2024 World Cup series also, as in when the cricketers left their individual records, aspirations, and worked together to the team goal, teams record, achievements, they were able to get India the World Cup trophy. And in work scenario also, and specifically for me particularly, I have recently completed my master practitioner course and for NLP. And during the course, we were supposed to do a team assignment. And what it did for me was, it not only the sense of achievement and um successful completion that I got when we completed the whole assignment by working together. It not only added to my development as a person, it helped me learn a new skill. It helped me bond with others and make a lasting relationship and friendship with them. So this is what I see for when I'm a part of the community. This is what I see myself working towards, that yes, we will do that. It doesn't have to be immediately, but it has to be in one step after the other. So one collaboration here, one giving support to others when they need, and this is how I see, and this is what makes us uh, the team that we want to be, the people that we want to aspire, and belong to the community that we belong. And this is what I see for myself when I say that I'm part of the community, and then we are empowering each other, and we'll be reaching heights, scaling the heights together. If, as Helen Keller has said, someone also mentioned that alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. So all that we need to do is take that first step and reach, scale the heights together. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sunita. Let's have a virtual clap for her. And when Sunita was speaking, I was on our first episode of Friday Fleet. Sunita will be able to remember that her question about starting her journey, how to start, how to apply for the different position, and how Adukia sir was addressing her query, how I have added, and the transformation in her. I am into discussion with her one-on-one on some occasion, and she knows the best part of being together from last 1 year is, together with having effort at our individual level, having the community of like-minded female where each one of us are working towards progressing our career and personal life, we get motivated from each other. अच्छा वो ये कर रही है, why can I not do that? होती है आप लोगों को ऐसी feeling? So मुझे तो होती है. पूनम, if she is listening, when I was not part of any community, when I have not started any session, Poonam is the one at whom I was looking at that point of time, that how much she can achieve, how much she is doing it. And in NLP language, Sunita will be able to relate to it. If in NLP language, if someone can do it, anyone can do it. So having that upliftment push by looking at each other. So thank you so much, Sunita. Together with Shefali, you are also our brand ambassador. You, Nidhi. So I can see, I think Nidhi has joined our session. So we'll ask her if time permits to add her view as well. So now thank you so much once again. Sunita, now over to, hi Nidhi. Let's wait for another speaker to share her views.
Hi,
Hi.
sure, definitely.
So Sreksha is here.
Hi, hello
Hi,
everyone.
Sreksha.
First of all, congratulations to each and everyone for first 1 year of completion of this milestone. I hope it will go for 10 years and far more, and lots of people will connect. And thank you, Kalpana ma'am, for giving me opportunity to be a part of this wonderful platform. The topic is so wonderful that together we can. मतलब if you think so, इसमें बहुत सारी चीजें cover हो सकती है. Like it's sharing and caring goes hand in hand. Like sometimes talking with your mentor, even your friend, can help you in boosting your energy. Even you can get a lot of confidence within yourself by just talking with them. So whenever we are sharing our thoughts to everyone, not only we are inspiring us, but also to them. So it's better to share your thoughts whenever you feel comfortable. And having this opportunity and this platform gave us a wonderful way of sharing the thoughts. Together we can it's a powerful way to unite the women. we can come together and overcome our obstacle by learning from other mistakes and how they achieve what we are inspiring to do so. Let's take a successful lead example of a Indian female, Falguni Nair. I learned like last month only. मैंने उनके बारे में पढ़ा and it's such an inspiring. 50 years की एज पे किसी ने अपना एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप ओपन किया नायका, जो आजकल आई गेस सभी फीमेल्स क्या को पता होगा. सो देयर इज नो लिमिट, देयर इज नो एज लिमिट, और कि सोसाइटी क्या कहेगी या फिर लोग क्या कहेंगे या आपका फैमिली प्रेशर. इफ यू हैव अ फायर विद इन यू देन यू कैन अचीव एनीथिंग. मैं आई वाज लिसनिंग टू आरती मैम इंस्पायरिंग स्टोरी एंड फिर आई थॉट कि मुझे अपनी स्टोरी भी शेयर करनी चाहिए बिकॉज लर्निंग स्टार्ट फ्रॉम होम ओनली. मेरी नानी के लाइक शी हैज 5 children, 4 is daughter and 1 is son. तो मेरे नानी एंड नाना जी दे हैड बट दे वर सो, मतलब उस एज पे भी उस टाइम पे भी उन्हें एजुकेशन की इतनी इम्पोर्टेंस पता थी कि माय मतलब तीनों मौसी एंड माय मम्मी इज अ डॉक्टर एंड माय मामा इज अ सक्सेसफुल पब्लिशर. नाना के साथ उन्होंने बुक पब्लिशिंग का बिजनेस अपना कंटिन्यू किया. बट उस टाइम पे भी उन्होंने अपनी चारों बेटियों को डॉक्टर बनाया, जहाँ पे बेटे को बनाना भी बहुत मुश्किल होता था बिकॉज ऑफ एजुकेशन फैक्टर और इतना सोर्सेस नहीं होते थे. सो इट ऑलवेज इंस्पायर्ड अस दैट इफ आप अपनी फैमिली में एक लड़की को पढ़ाते हैं तो आप पूरी नेक्स्ट जनरेशन को एक इम्प्रूवमेंट देते हैं. सो यस, growing together, learning together, it's really a good scope for future benefit. आजकल के टाइम पे we face lots of struggle, even it's a gender based inequality. और कहते हैं ना work life balance for a female after marriage difficult हो जाता है. Even there is a small joke or something कि लड़कियों की second shift ऑफिस खत्म होने के बाद स्टार्ट होती है. So yeah, it's practically true, but हम जब आप जैसे लोगों से मिलते हैं या आपकी बातें सुनते हैं then it's inspire us that yes we can also be like we can be a better person और society के लिए और family के we can grow and we can do something which can be good for us and we inspire from you all. So thank you so much for making us and lots of people like us to be part of this program, and we wish ये pan India और grow करे and will learn a lot from us. Thank you so much.
थैंक यू सो मच स्वेक्षा फॉर शेयरिंग. मैं अपने शब्दों में अगर कहूँ तो शेयरिंग डायरेक्ट फ्रॉम योर हार्ट. तो जो आपने एक बात कही कि आफ्टर व्हेन आवर ऑफिस आवर्स एंडेड, that's what they again the new life starts. So now these days how I am feeling, I'll take a minute. We are already short of time. Ki there was one time when I became mother, and at that point of time I felt like बच्चे और ऑफिस बहुत डिफिकल्ट है. Now it is बच्चे, ऑफिस, मतलब my profession, passion and so many other things together. But और हम सभी के साथ आई एम श्योर एवरीबडी ऑन दिस प्लेटफॉर्म राइट नाउ मस्ट बी हैविंग दैट फीलिंग. कभी ना कभी दिन में, हफ्ते में, महीने में आता होगा. मुझे आ रहा है सबको आता होगा. तभी क्या करना चाहिए? आई लुक एट द पीपल दोज आर हैविंग मच मोर टास्क एज कंपेयर टू मी. उनके पास भी 24 आवर्स ही है ना. एंड व्हाट आई थिंक कि अभी पिछले साल 1 year back I was only struggling with finding the time between kids' homework, जब वो सो रहे हैं तब काम करना, as compared to what I am today. What are the things I am able to do today? Maybe 1 year later, there will be more things in my bucket, and it's everything in our mindset, है ना. फिर से वही बात कहूंगी जो मैंने after Sunita has concluded her speech की, if one can do it, anyone can do it. We have great example in our country, in a globe. We have one of the contestant, Poonam Pathak. Whenever I call, now it seems that if you want to speak to her for a minute, you'll have to book an appointment. So she's handling that thing together with all of that stuff. So that we have to learn with a belief on our own self. So now, I think all of us, those have nominated themselves. Jayanti ma'am, would you like to share anything?
No, ma'am, I have one client.
Okay, okay, thank you. So let's hear from Nidhi.
Hi, everyone. First of all, heartily congratulations for completing this 1 year journey. And I'm sure we are going to add more people and we are going to be more than strong and profound. And what should I say? I'm short of words of what I can see for Friday Fleet in future. But yes, it is definite. It is currently a very strong community, and I'm sure that in coming future we are going to become much more strong. Together we can. There is a very famous proverb जहाँ पे it is said कि if you want to reach faster, then move alone. If you want to reach longer, then stay together. Okay, military में बहुत use होता है ये वाला proverb, and it is true in every sense. So in different aspects of life, it stands true. If we talk about professional aspect, आप अकेले जितना impact बना सकते हो, that would be much lesser than जो impact आप create कर सकते हो along with 10, 15, 20 people, or let us not give it a number itself. हमारा जो group है, that is much more impactful than any of our individuals' efforts, because we also complement each other every now and then. एक मतलब I remember कुछ दिन हो गए थे, I was not very active, and Kalpana's message came कि क्या हुआ निधि, you are not active on LinkedIn, you are not there on YouTube, you are not there on WhatsApp, चल क्या रहा है, where are you? So it keeps you inspiring and motivating that अरे कुछ miss हो गया है, you have to come back on track. So that's how we grow individually. This is just about career aspect. Even if we talk about our personal side of life, अकेले आप एक लिमिट तक ही कर सकते हो. आपके पास में 24 घंटे हैं, लेकिन हाथ दो ही हैं, आंखें दो ही हैं, मुंह एक ही है. तो उससे आप एक लिमिट तक ही चीजें कर पाओगे. You cannot be doing 100 things. It's not possible to do 100 things only by yourself. At the same time, if you seek help with whoever is there in your family, whoever is there in your neighborhood, कई लोग joint family में नहीं रहते हैं, but they still have neighbors around, they still have friends around, and नहीं है तो बना सकते हैं friends. You can connect to community as we have connected in this community. And personal aspect may be this statement, together we can, having that imbibed in ourselves is very important. आज मैं अगर इतनी सारी चीजें कर पा रही हूँ, if I'm able to have my firm, if I'm able to have a daughter जो अभी 2 साल की भी नहीं हुई है, and if I'm able to manage being a part of a community, having a podcast, yeah, there are n number of things which I cannot even mention. List खत्म ही नहीं होगी. But I'm able to do all of that stuff only and only because I have a very strong support system at back. मेरी सासू माँ is a very strong support system. मेरे ससुर जी is very strong support system. My husband is a very strong support system. And even my entire office की team is my amazing support system. क्योंकि the team is strong, I can actually rely on the work which I have given to them. अगर वो strong नहीं है तो I'll have to actually devote more time on training them, and then I will be able to do any other thing. So this statement together we can, ये जितना छोटा statement लगता है, इसका impact उससे 10 times ज़्यादा powerful है. And you can implement this in every and any context or situation. That's the most beautiful thing about simple things, that you can mold it and implement it, utilize it in different situations. So time बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं लूंगी, because we also have to take a note of the time which we are using over here, because आप सभी ने अपना time devote किया है. So yeah, this is it from my side. Although this topic is such a wide topic that we can extend it to hours and hours, but still there would be some examples which would be left out. So yes.
Thank you so much, Nidhi, for sharing your thought and motivating, continuing the flow of this lovely discussion. Close to heart. हम सभी के close to heart
Definitely,
है ये together
definitely.
we can. And if anybody, thank you so much once again. There are so many things, thoughts which is coming. I'm sure सिर्फ मेरे ही दिल में नहीं आ रहा होगा, हम सभी के दिल में आ रहा होगा, अच्छा ये करना चाहिए हमें, हमें ये भी करना चाहिए, हमें ऐसे reach out करना चाहिए, this step we can take. So I'll come up with a Google form for your suggestion, because we are falling short of time. And I think everybody spoke. If anybody else would like to speak, those who didn't get the opportunity, Rajni, Vishwapriya, Reena, Manisha, Shilpa ma'am spoke, Revati. Okay. Poonam, are you there? Would you like to add something?
Hi, Kalpana, I'm listening. There must be a background noise, I think, as I'm traveling.
Okay. Yes, we
Yeah.
are audible. Please go on.
Yes, I'm on the way, so there is some background noise. I listen everyone, and it's really very like wonderful and happy feeling for like we both started, and at that time it was just like कि कैसे जाएगा, क्या होगा and all. And जब भी अभी लोगों को देख रही हूँ and वो मतलब सब इतना अच्छा कर रहे हैं. I have seen शेफाली, सुनीता जी और speaking कैसे and if good in it, then it becomes ability for you, or you will get opportunity to speak. So then it will be a liability to share karu, and it's not about speaking in conferences, seminar, but this communication skills helps everyone in more you speak, the more you will become fluent in it. So I request all the members to please be part of these events, keep sharing, be active with ICI, and this is the only way we grow, by doing so. So thank you.
Thank you so much, Poonam, for sharing your thought with us. And thank you so much for being there with me in this journey. And much gratitude to respected Dr. Rajkumar Adukia sir. I was not able to reach out to him today due to his busy schedule for inviting him. Before concluding, Shefali, I think you would like to share something.
Yes.
Go on.
So there was one event. Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
So there was one event called Disrupt by the Finance Story, and the invite was shared by CA Poonam Pathak. Even she attended that event. And I'm sharing here just for your knowledge that the Finance Story, when it started, it was a one Facebook page. Okay, it was started as a one Facebook page, and today it is having 3 lakh readers. And it is organizing events, and it is doing podcasts for all the chartered accountants who are into international practice, tax practice, or maybe many other areas of international profession practice. So that is the place where I am seeing Friday Fleet. Frankly, that even though it is a baby today, maybe, or it was like, 1 year back, it was a baby, it has grown into a little bit a bigger one. But then obviously that is the flight which Friday Fleet can take. That's it.
Thank you so much, Shefali. So I'm also having cooker ki seeti in my kitchen. If all of you can hear that. And Sweksha has mentioned about 10 years, 10 anniversary. So thank you so much, Sweksha. मैंने खुद से तभी कहा तथास्तु, and Shefali for this thought, encouraging thought of till हमें कहाँ तक पहुंचना है साथ में, और ये
We can be 30 lakh leaders.
Yes.
We
And
can be
this,
3 million.
exactly. For this, me and Poonam, we will not be able to do all of us together. So, he is asking continuously for lollipop. So I want support. We want support of all of you in this journey. We all are part of base pillars of this journey. If all of you are able to contribute your 1 hour time, I'm sure you will have a time to devote for this noble cause. हमें भी किसी moment पे Aarti has mentioned about her mother. Please excuse me for the background noise of my kids. Aarti and me, my mother, my friends, all of you, एक minute beta, all of us must be having someone or the other. Maybe our community gave you the reason to uplift yourself in beta session खत्म हो जाने के बाद, in that down moment. तो मैंने ये शायद पहले in our last session also I have mentioned एक मूवी की लाइन है, मैं तो अकेला ही चला था, लोग जुड़ते गए, कारवां बनता गया. I still remind those days when I was in my hometown. It was not bad day in terms of, actually I was getting that enlightenment towards our spiritual side of our life when I was together with my father-in-law and mother-in-law. But I felt like I'm missing something in professional.
As a professional, yes.
Exactly. And if the sessions conducted by Institute of Chartered Accountants of India would have not been there, if I would have not attended those sessions, in one of those sessions, Adukia sir mentorship program was there. If you have the fire in your belly, take action. That was his statement. Poonam was also part of that session. She yaad hoga unko. So I also look at our community in a similar fashion कि फिर से कोई कल्पना कहीं से सुन रही होगी. She might be needing that small push. सभी कुछ वो हनुमान जी को जैसे उनकी शक्तियां याद दिलाई गई. Everything we possess from the point I have started, what I need is within me now. The only point is realization of that. And if all of us together, we will help us, each one of us and the community are powerful. अभी नवरात्रि आने वाली है. माँ दुर्गा, माँ लक्ष्मी, माँ सरस्वती, हम जो कहें खुद को आपस में एक दूसरे को, वो कम है. और सेशन की शुरुआत में मुझे एक और चीज याद आ रही थी. राम जी की वानर सेना, बहुत बड़ा कार्य उन्होंने कर दिया. Though that also together they were able to do it. So with that, now I conclude our today's session and wish you all best of luck in your journey ahead. And you have the responsibility, all of us are having the responsibility to reach sky high, not alone, together. Many of us are repeating कि alone we can go fast, but together we can reach further. है ना? So I request all of you to keep your video on, if possible, to click a virtual group photo. Nidhi, Poonam, Manisha, Sweksha, Rajni, Vishwapriya, Revati. Oh, Manisha is here. Hello, Manisha. So everybody say cheese. So one more, please.
आज बहुत अलग जोन में लग रहा है मनीषा जी.
हाँ.
Today actually I'm having some health issue and थोड़ा tired period चल रहा है इसमें.
Okay, so we are having Shivani ma'am.
Congratulations, Kalpana, for completing 1 year.
Thank you, thank you.
I just saw your status somewhere, and I was searching for the link कि कहाँ है, जाके एक बार आपको congratulate तो बोलूं.
Thank you for telling. यहाँ हमारे सेशन में आके वो कहते हैं ना, देर आए दुरुस्त आए.
Right.
Thank you so much. You are one of the inspiration. SOS. I
Yeah,
think.
good evening to everyone present here in the room.
Good evening.
Good evening. कल्पना मैम, मैं आपसे एक चीज कहना चाहूंगी. कल मेरा एक काउंसलिंग सेशन था एंड आई वाज स्पीकिंग माय ओन स्टोरी फर्स्ट टाइम, एंड तब मैं आपको रिकॉल कर रही थी. यस्टरडे आफ्टरनून की बात है. एंड टुडे आई एक्चुअली जस्ट स्किप्ड आउट की ना क्लास. मुझे पता था कि मुझे अटेंड करना है, बट कुछ ऐसी चीजें थी कि आई जस्ट फॉरगॉट. बट मेरे वाइब्रेशन में था कि मुझे उनके दर्शन करने हैं. एंड सडनली इट हैपेंड कि वो मेरा व्हाट्सएप पे मैसेज आया और आपका क्लिक हो गया. And then I saw I missed the session. Then I just pinged the link and I felt कि चलो 1-2 मिनट तो मिल जाए. And it is like कि मिल गया.
Thank you, Manisha, for your powerful words. Thank you.
You are always there in our prayers. Maybe we are not live. I am not able to attend, but you are always there in my prayers. And even few good friends like Jyoti is there. We have good talk sometime, and she's also wonderful. And शिफाली मैम को मैं बहुत बार देखती हूँ इधर उधर इतने अवार्ड्स के साथ, तो सबको एडमायर करती हूँ. सुनीता मैम का भी सेशन था, रिकॉर्डेड मैंने सुना, तो अच्छा लगता है. पर दूर बैठ के ना एक लिस्ट है मेरे पास, सबके लिए प्रेयर जरूर करती हूँ. जैसे क्लिक करने के बाद सबका नाम लेके ना एक बार क्लिक करती हूँ. आई होप टू मीट एवरीवन वंस इन फिजिकल मोड.
जरूर जरूर, तथास्तु तथास्तु. मैं भी ये मेरी आई वाज मेकिंग 101 विश लिस्ट. शिवानी मैम विल बी एबल टू कोरिलेट टू इट. तो अब उसमें मेरी थैंक यू फॉर एडिंग, हेल्पिंग मी टू ऐड वन मोर विश कि जितने भी हमारी फ्राइडे फ्लीट की कम्युनिटी मेंबर्स हैं, मैं उनसे इन पर्सन मिलूं.
यस.
ओके, अब घड़ी अपनी सुई घुमा के बता रही है कि आज के सेशन में अलविदा कहने का समय आ गया है. लेकिन आज हम सभी ने एक कसम ली है कि टुगेदर वी विल बी uplifting not only to our own self but the whole community, the whole female community. With that, I am closing today's session. Thank you so much for joining and sharing your powerful thought with all of us. Thank you, Shivani ma'am, for joining at the last moment.
Yeah, welcome, and I'm privileged to be here at the last moment.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank
So
you. More
congratulations
power
to
to all of you.
all the members of Friday Fleet, and it really calls for a big celebration, 1 year completion. And we look forward for you to keep going on and keep inspiring, keep bringing changes in everyone.
Thank you. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you. Thank you,
Thank
Kalpana.
you. Bye.
Every
Have a
Saturday
great
morning,
evening.
Shivani, you are remembered. Every Saturday morning, it has become a habit in my mind, whether I am there or not. If I am cooking the breakfast also, मुझे पता है शिवानी का क्लास चल रहा है. Shivani and we are actually friends, so we know each other. But Shivani is doing a great job.
Yes,
It makes
Thank you
me
so
I
much.
am not able to do it because some or the other clashes of my session या फिर कुछ और होता है. From last few weeks I am missing.
नहीं, लॉट्स ऑफ पेशेंस इज नीडेड बिकॉज एक सेशन भी करना हो तो हालत खराब हो जाती है एंड एवरी वीक उसको मेंटेन करना नीड सो मच ऑफ लेबर पेशेंस. एक औरत के लिए बहुत मुश्किल होता है. कहने की बात है अपन आ जाते हैं जूम में, चलो क्लास करना है, पीछे कितनी हिस्ट्री चल रही होती है कि हस्बैंड का अलग डिमांड्स है, बच्चों का
Right,
अलग है,
right.
सासू माँ का
कुकर
अलग
की
है.
सीटी भी चलती रहती है. We have discussed all of those things from the start. कुकर की सीटी भी चलती है, हमारा दिमाग भी क्लाइंट की तरफ चलता है. एंड यस, बाहर से जो दिख रहा है हमें वो है ना सक्सेस, ऊपर से रोजी पिक्चर वी सी एंड बिहाइंड दैट द लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट एंड स्ट्रगल एंड
बहुत
कमिटमेंट
अच्छा.
दैट इज नीडेड.
एंड आई वुड लाइक टू ऐड कि दोनों चीजों में ना, जो खुद हम सेशंस ले रहे हैं उसमें हमें खुद प्रिपरेशन करनी है, और मैं जो बाहर के लोगों को बुला के ला रही हूँ, सो उसमें भी अलग तरह का बैकग्राउंड वर्क चलता है, लाइक कनेक्ट नेटवर्किंग विद द स्पीकर्स एंड देन
एग्जैक्टली
पूरा बैकग्राउंड वर्क टू ऑर्गेनाइज एंड लाइक कि स्पीकर्स को प्रॉपर तरीके से कन्वे हो जाना हमारा सेशन क्या है. एंड आई एम ब्लेस्ड कि अभी मैं प्रोफेशनल स्पीकर्स की तरफ ज्यादा जा रही हूँ, एंड दैट इज ब्रिंगिंग लाइक क्वालिटी स्पीकर्स थ्रू SOS एज वेल एज. स्टार्टिंग में क्या होता था, व्हेन आई वाज लाइक कोई भी स्पीकर को बुला लिया, सो व्हाट वाज हैपनिंग कि sometimes the speaker would forget that early morning is sleeping. So this doesn't goes that way with professional speakers. So they are right there at the right time. So
Yeah.
this has happened initially when we started SOS. Sometimes the speaker was missing, and then we have to stay prepared to present to our audience something from our side. So that was a challenge. So now I focus on bringing more and more professional speakers, big speakers. So that is what we are offering to our audience towards their growth, helping them towards their growth as a growth coach.
Thank you for sharing your journey and inspiration with all of us. अब चलते हैं, पिछली 10 मिनट से हम अलविदा बार बार कर रहे हैं and this discussion is keeping us engrossed. हमें चलिए अलविदा for today. Yes, more power to
Okay.
all
Have a
of
great
us.
evening.
More power to
Yeah.
each one of us.
Thank you all.
More
Bye.
power to each one of us.
Yes.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.